What are the biggest problems facing humanity today, and how can we solve them? Number 1, poverty. Millions of people struggle to afford basic necessities. We can fight poverty through education, job creation, fair wages, social programs, and responsible economic development. Number 2, hunger. Food production and distribution need to improve. Governments, businesses, farmers, and communities can reduce food waste, support agriculture, and make nutritious food more accessible. Number 3, war and conflict. Wars destroy lives, homes, and economies. Strong diplomacy, peaceful negotiations, international cooperation, and addressing the causes of conflict can help prevent violence. Number 4, corruption. Corruption weakens governments and steals resources from citizens. Strong laws, independent institutions, transparency, and accountability are essential. Number 5, climate change and environmental destruction. We can reduce pollution, protect forests, expand clean energy, improve public transportation, and use natural resources responsibly. Number 6, poor education. Every child deserves access to quality education. Investing in schools, teachers, technology, literacy, and vocational training gives people better opportunities. Number 7, crime and violence. Safer communities require effective policing, fair justice systems, prevention programs, education, employment opportunities, and support for vulnerable people. Number 8, discrimination and hatred. People should be judged by their actions and character, not stereotypes. Education, equal rights, and respectful communication can reduce prejudice. Number 9, poor healthcare. Communities need affordable healthcare, preventive medicine, trained professionals, clean water, sanitation, and access to essential treatments. Number 10, misinformation and division. People should verify information, consult reliable sources, think critically, and avoid spreading claims they cannot confirm. And there are many other challenges, including homelessness, unemployment, pollution, inequality, human trafficking, and lack of access to clean water. The world will not be fixed overnight, but governments, organizations, communities, families, and individuals can all contribute. The solution begins when humanity chooses cooperation over hatred, knowledge over ignorance, justice over corruption, and peace over violence. If you believe the world can become better, comment, change, and share this video.